Welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday morning. Wacky Wednesday. Oh, it's wacky Wednesday. Last night, I prepared a nice New York steak with mashed red sweet potatoes, and I added the Casual Chef corn salad. The house smelled like cooked steak for a long time. Nothing like the smell. There's a couple smells. Bacon being cooked, steak, baked goods like with cinnamon, but yeah. I had somebody actually contact me about what the sauce was on top of the steak. Well, here it is. Arby's horsey sauce. Yes, you can get the horsey sauce and the Arby's sauce in a bottle. If you're a big Arby's fan, there you go. There's a nice touch. Horseradish is not just for prime rib. I love it with steak as well. All right. Tonight, whatever. I am doing Southwest Quesadilla with Cilantro-Lime Sour Cream sauce. This sounds so good. Let's get to it. A couple fry pans, one for the innards, the other for actually doing the quesadilla, the tortilla quesadilla, you know what I mean. So I got some flour tortillas, and the innards is red bell pepper, which will be diced. I already have diced red onion, some corn, a little bit of cumin. I'm using a Mexican cumin. I'm using Gran Pasilla chili powder, refried black beans, using Mexican blend cheese, shredded cheese. So that's the goodies for the innards. Yeah. No, basically the proteins is the beans. A little bit of black pepper for the innards, and the salt is actually for the sauce, the sour cream lime sauce. So we have some cilantro, which will go in both portions, some chopped cilantro, some sour cream, and lime juice. So there's the goodies for tonight's meal. Simple, fairly quick, not that expensive. So on this wacky Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.